education this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper.
Hey guys, Brian here with another educational tip of the day. Today we're going to talk about kinesthetic learning styles or teaching styles. This approach, which we all can probably or have heard the terminology of hands-on learning, is taking more of a role-playing, acting it out, highly participative with the students in learning styles, trying new things, and then being very interactive in that. The teacher kind of gives direction, and then it's up to the kids or the students to come up with a solution based on actively participating within their classroom or with themselves in deriving a solution for the problem. So this is my favorite way to learn. It's also one of the harder ways to actually teach because it is so time consuming and the student's lack of focus can get off track very, very, very easily if it's not properly monitored or if you don't stop it at the first signs of it curtailing into a social hour. So take that into consideration. It's a great way to learn, but at the same time, it takes a lot of vigorous monitoring and keeping people on track and on schedule. And that's your educational tip of the day.